In this video tutorial, I will review the various ways you can add multimedia to a VoiceThread presentation. We're already in the VoiceThread tool, and I've navigated us to the Create section. When you get to the Create section, this is the very first thing you'll see, this icon that is directing you to add multimedia. You can drag and drop files into this section to add multimedia to your presentation. To do that, find the file on your flash drive or computer. Click that file, drag, drop it into the designated area. VoiceThread will give you the message that the content is uploading and then processing, and then it will appear. Here's a tip. Depending on the time of day and the other activity on VoiceThread, the uploading and processing might take a little more time than what you just witnessed here. So be patient. Okay, so we added media and now our icon disappeared. What do? Not to fear. In the top left-hand corner, find the Add Media link. It's located next to the plus sign icon. Click that link and you'll now be directed to the same options that you had previously. If you'd like to select more files from your computer or flash drive to upload, you can continue to drag and drop into this space or click the My Computer option. Let's go through some of these other options. The Media Sources option will connect you to these 4 different types of multimedia content providers. You can search publicly accessible voice threads and import those voice threads into your own VoiceThread. You can search Khan Academy videos, so remember these are brief instructional videos. You can search and insert the videos for Khan Academy into your VoiceThread. Flickr provides you access with images taken and shared on the Flickr site by their community of users. You can search, select, and import images from the Flickr collection. You can also search and import images and video clips from the New York Public Library collection as well. Let's take a look at one of these collections so you're familiar with the process of searching, selecting, and importing content into your VoiceThread. Click on the collection you would like to search. You will see that collection load, and along the top of that collection there's a search bar. Click within that search bar, type in your keywords, and hit the return or enter key on your keyboard. Once you find a picture you like, hover over that picture, click Preview to enlarge the image. Click the X in the top right hand corner to get back to the original collection of images. Hover over it again and click Import. You'll get a notification in the very top right corner of the screen that your media has been imported. You can continue to search within that selected collection, or you can click on Media Sources in the top left-hand corner and click on a different multimedia content provider and continue to search and add content to your VoiceThread. Once you're done searching, click the X in the top right-hand corner and you'll be taken back to your VoiceThread editing panel. Now you can continue to add more multimedia. To do that, remember to go back up to the Add Media link and then continue to select these different sources of multimedia and import media into your VoiceThread. Once you have the multimedia content that you would like to include in your presentation, you can edit some of that content within this screen here. Once you have all the multimedia that you would like to potentially use in your presentation imported to your VoiceThread Create section, You can move that multimedia around, label it, and delete it. To move your multimedia content, click the multimedia content. While clicking on it, drag and drop the multimedia content to reorder it. If you notice, when I hover over each of these pieces of content, I am provided with a pencil icon and a trash can icon. Clicking the pencil icon will give me the ability to add a title for this specific piece of content. If you would like to add a title, type in the title. You can also provide a link associated with the content. You can rotate the image. You can replace it with a file. So you have some basic editing features here. Once you've made any changes that you feel necessary, click Save, and your changes will be reflected within the content area. If you would like to delete some content, click the trash can. It'll give you another message confirming that you'd like to delete the content. Click Delete or click Cancel to remove yourself from this option. If you have questions or would like to learn more about some of the commenting and sharing features of VoiceThread, go to the bucks.libguides.com/VoiceThread website for those tutorials.